Let's talk about the latest launched REALME smartphone 12 Plus 5G with luxury watch design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, with 6.67 inches Full HD Plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 92.65% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 395 ppi pixel density, 2000 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus support, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 26mm Sony LYT600 OIS main camera, along with 8 megapixel 16mm ultra-wide-angle camera, and with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel 24mm front camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of REALME UI 5.0. Screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.6 GHz dual-core Cortex A78 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset. Paired with Mali G68MC4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 8 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB, of onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.95 by 75.45 by 7.87 mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. The color options: Navigator beige, Pioneer green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 67-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The REALME 12 Plus 5G has been expected priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 74,999 Pakistani rupees, 21,999 Indian rupees, $267 US, 4,199,000 Indonesian rupiah. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this REALME 12 Plus 5G smartphone? Let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.